So this is 2019 paper 2 question 2. The diagram shows the line PQ and the line QR. The coordinates of the points P are 4, 2, Q is 8, 5 and R is 2, 11. So first of all find the slope of PQ. So count how many steps it takes to get from the x coordinates in P to the y coordinates in Q. So P is 4, 2, Q is 8, 5. So it's plus 4 steps from 4 to 8. And this goes on the bottom of the slope. Then count how many steps it takes to go from the y coordinate of P to the y coordinate of y. So that's from 2 to 5. It's 3 steps. This goes on the top of the slope. So put the two answers together, plus 3 over plus 4, and your answer, your slope is 3 over 4. Now you can also do this sum using the formula. And the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So your points are P and Q. So P is 4, 2 and Q is 8, 5. This is your x1. This is your y1. This is your x2. This is your y2. So you simply put those into the formula. So instead of y2, you have 5 minus 2 over, and instead of x2 minus y1, you have 8 minus 4, and 5 minus 2 is 3, over 8 minus 4 is 4. Same answer. So you can do it either way, okay? Whatever way suits you the best. So next, part B, find the equation of the line PQ. Give your answer in the form AX plus BY plus C equals 0. Okay, so first of all, the equation, and you'll find this in your formula books, the equation is y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. So first of all, you have to find out what is y1, what is m, and what is x1. Y and x you're just going to leave as they are. So you're going to use your point P, or you can use Q, either one, doesn't matter. I'm using P, and the slope that you've just figured out, because that's what M stands for. That stands for the slope. So you're going to use the slope that you just figured out, which is 3 over 4. So step 2, put the values for x1, y1 and m into your equation. So now you have y minus 2, because that's instead of the y1, equals 3 over the 4, that's instead of the m, bracket x minus 4, because that's instead of the x1. Okay, now when you get to this stage, it's really a case of algebra, just multiplying out the bracket, moving things across the equal sign. So work out the equation. So y minus 2 equals 3 over 4x minus 3 by 4 over y. So what I've done here, I've multiplied out that bracket. So 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4 by 4. So rewrite that so it looks better. Y minus 2 equals 3x over 4 minus 12 over 4. That's the 3 multiplied by 4 gives you 12. Now I want to get rid of that 4 in the bottom. So I'm going to multiply the whole line by 4. So when you multiply the whole line by 4, you get 4y, minus 2 becomes minus 8, equals the 3x over 4 just becomes 3x, and the minus 12 over 4 just becomes minus 12. Then move everything to the left side of the equation because you want it equal to 0. So I want this side after the equals to be 0, so I'm going to take away that 3x, and I'm going to take away, I should have added that. Look at that. That's going to change everything. I should have added that 12 to get it to 0. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So you end up with minus 3x plus 4y, 8 12 minus 8 should have given me 4, because I just did the wrong sign there. So let's change that to 4 equals 0. Change all the signs. So you have 3x, minus 3x becomes plus 3x, plus 4y becomes minus 4y, and minus 4 becomes plus 4 equals 0. Okay, and that is how you do part B. Now, part C is write down the slope of any line perpendicular to PQ. So you take the slope of PQ, turn it upside down and change the sign. So if PQ is 3 over 4, then the perpendicular slope is minus 4 over 3. So in the last part, part C, find the area of the triangle PQR. So here, the first thing you have to do is move the 3 points so that one of them is at 0, 0. So I'm going to move point P. So P is 2, 4. So to get to 0, 0, I need to subtract 4 from the 4 and 2 from the 2. And whatever I do to P, I have to do to the other 2 points. So Q, which is 8, 5, you take 4 from the 8 and 2 from the 5. R, which is 2, 11, you take 4 from the 2 and 2 from the 11. So now P is 0, 0, Q is 4, 3, and R is minus 2, 9. So then use the formula, which is half x1, y2 minus x2, y1. And when they're written together like that, it means you're to multiply them together. So as you can see up here, that's my x1, that's my y1, that's my x2, that's my y2. So your x1 is 4, your y2 is 9, your x2 is minus 2, and your y1 is 3. So simply put that into your formula. So half 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Now see the way I have them all in brackets. You could probably just put that straight into your calculation. I don't think you'll be able to put in the modulus lines. You might. I don't know how to do that. But if you know how to put in those 2 straight lines, you can put that straight into your calculator. But then I've multiplied it out here. So it's half 4 by 9 is 36. And minus 2 by 3 is minus 6. So it's half 36 minus 6. So that becomes half 36 plus 6, because minus by minus gives you plus. So that's half 42, and half 42 is 21. So your answer is 21.